Hello guys and welcome back to The Mood. Today we are the 26th of August 2021 and again I'm very happy to see you still here because why? Because you're not using any kind of leverage, you're just trading spot and you're not shorting the bull market. So stay with us, we got so many good things to happen during the coming 6 months. You'd better watch out of what you're doing and how you are trading. So this is my Bitcoin chart, and guys, if you're new to the channel, each and every of these yellow lines that you can see here have been my predictions. Some of them have been quite accurate, especially during all that time period. Some have been less accurate. When we bounce here, you can see the red ones are the misfiring, and it happens sometime. But overall guys, these are all my prediction, and my last prediction from yesterday's video have been this one, guys, and I told you we'll be touching the $46,800,000 at some point, and guess what? We did. So what's coming next, you really don't want to miss it, guys. So make sure you hit the notification bell, you subscribe to the channel, and you leave some likes, because after that after our Bitcoin analysis, we are also going to have a look at TODAY-HBAR, which is a new crypto that we spotted a little bit yesterday because of some people on our Telegram group that you can see here, that you can subscribe and vote for the coin of the day. And the coin of the day is going to be Dogecoin. So welcome to The Mood, really. Make sure you subscribe, and I want to give a special welcome also to this guy that wrote this. I think he will know what I'm talking about. Si tu peux voir, j'ai aussi un petit CD32 derrière, donc voilà. Sorry for French, excuse my French, even if I didn't say any bad words. But okay, it's time for the starting of the analysis and everything. Welcome. So guys, this is our Bitcoin price, and as usual, when we have a little bit of a dump, everybody's calling for the lowest level. We are bipolar, guys, in this kind of market. We just go all hyped, all super euphoric, or all super down. Like, there is no middle, guy. But in the end, if you want to sound right, I think there is a Buddhist proverb that says, if you want the instrument to sound right, you should be just in the middle and try to mitigate your excitement. If you want the instrument to sound right, and that's what we want. And I think he was talking about the sitar. I know we have many Indians among us, so you must know better than me what Siddhartha talked about, according to that. So we are talking of crypto. But it's a philosophy of life, and it's important to have some kind of philosophy if you want to survive in this wild world. What we see here on our Bitcoin chart, guys, is that we have our RSI that still didn't touch here, our resistance line that is lower here. But I like what I can see here on the VIX. This is quite nice. And the MACD starting to bend a little bit, but not yet. I think there is more to come, maybe a little bit more of ranging around this level. I think Bitcoin at this point really wants to test this resistance line, and we are going today probably to hover here. And I don't think we are going that low, but if we go low, our resistance is gonna be 45,270, okay? But I don't think we are going that low. I think we are ranging here until this RSI can finally bounce over here. And the most probable is what I told you guys yesterday, that at some point we just go back there, up there. This is the scenario that makes sense, but don't be surprised if we do this and this, okay? I'm gonna keep both scenario. You know what? I'm gonna be conservative. I'm gonna put this one just as a potential prediction, and the other one as a safe one, okay? Let's be conservative. We don't want to be this little part since 16th of August has been a little bit less easy to predict, but still we are doing quite good. I think that bounce yesterday was a good prediction. So I told you guys we are going to have a look at HBAR. Before, let me just browse the market very quickly. We have Matic that also broke that moving average here. All right, but Matic is doing great and is really right now on that resistance line. There is one down there, but I don't think we are going down there. So I think that's what we can expect. That's where we can expect a bounce here. Uniswap is going down to that moving average and that resistance line. Also, you can expect it to be a good level of resistance. And BNB, I'm quite happy to hear that they've been cleared of all the investigation in UK. So it's good. Overall, BNB resisted quite well. I'm still out of Binance. I still have my cryptos on a cold storage because normally I use Binance. I don't want to use any other exchange. Maybe I get back to putting my funds there, and okay, whatever. We don't need to talk about that. Yes, I'm a bit paranoid about this kind of stuff. I think the less you say, the better it is. So okay. Now let's go. I just wanted to check HBAR, but we didn't finish to check their website. And there is a few things more that I want to check before we get into it. And it's gonna be fast because it's not the coin of the day, but I made a promise. So here we are. This is our HBAR chart. So first of all, when you discover a new coin, you want to check what's the market cap and all the various data you can see here. All right, the exchange volume was quite high yesterday, 282 million. So that's good. Not so concerning about that. Okay. No, it really seems serious on these fundamentals. I just want by curiosity to really figure out what they are providing. What are the use case? They provide payment, fraud mitigation, data compliance. Okay, they have a few solution of security. All right, well, the project seems perfectly genuine. So I'm just gonna have a quick look. First, I'm gonna add the chart in my new charts because I don't have it, and it's always nice to discover a new coin, and I'm very glad that people may help me discover some nice coins. That's how I discovered Luna in the first place 8 months ago. So it's always nice to figure this out at the right time. We got our HBAR Tether chart right here. I'm gonna just keep the Tether chart, and okay, let's see quickly on a short time frame what we have. Sometime, you know, guys, I can just go for 1 minute and just figure it out quite easily. This one seems quite easy to figure out. So I'm not supposed to do 2 coins, but I'm gonna do it today because Doge, we already know it. I've got a lot of charts already a lot of patterns, not patterns, but lot of trend lines already on place, so it's not a long work. It's kind of nice what we can see here on HBAR, that we are just ranging over that moving average right here, which is good. We have a tendency to go on the lower resistance line on the RSI. We didn't touch it, but here we already bounced, and what I like is this on the VIX. The extended bars on the VIX, the MACD, however, it didn't really cross, and I don't see it bending right now. But overall, I think it's a good position to buy HBAR, and I think it will bounce at some point. But if you manage to buy more around 0.23 cents, well, why not? It's still a cheap crypto, guys. You know what? It can be an interesting one. Let's figure it out very quickly on the daily chart. The daily chart looks not bad. We kind of have this resistance line coming, but of course on the daily we have other kind of resistance also to pay attention to, but it's more parasiting my analysis on the 4 hour. But we are right now on a resistance line, so HBAR has some good potential and good gains probably during the coming day. So we're gonna pay attention to it. Quickly before we have a look at Doge. Let's have a look at the S&P, and guys, that was my prediction when we were here. We've been topping precisely on my prediction right here. So guys, you know, it's very important you do that and you support the channel, leaving likes, comments, whatever you want to leave into the comment section, and the notification bell, because it helps the algorithm to rank the channel and helps it grows, which is a good thing, because you know the top who are the top channels on YouTube and what's the value you can take out of it. Probably Bybit takes more value out of it than you, so, and the people who are casting, who are doing the shows there. So okay, this is our Doge prediction, and I told you guys these movements are now quite hard to predict. This one, we went halfway, so let's make it fair play. I'm gonna put it in red, even if we went halfway of that price prediction. I was expecting it to go a little bit higher. For now, there is more bear pressure clearly on the market right now. So what can we expect at this point? At first sight, what I really like is this extended VIX that you can see it right here. The MACD, the Chaîne de Mo is super low. Our MACD went quite low and under that resistance line, which is a little bit less interesting for us, but what can we expect at these levels, guys? We need to see if we have other resistance. We have one here, guys. You see, we placed it from here and we are perfectly bouncing on it, which is an extremely good sign for us. We are going to extend this. So two things. We could go lower here on that RSI resistance, but it would mean our price action to go through that resistance line and bump on that moving average. I don't know. It's possible. Down there at 0.22, it's clearly no. I would say it's clearly no. Forget about it. If we go as low as 0.26, make sure you buy there, because that's the bounce area. But this extended VIX here tells me that we might also bounce over that resistance. And I told you guys we would range on Bitcoin and probably bounce after. So I basically see the same kind of scenario for Doge, that we would actually range here and stick around 0.2720 for maybe half of a day, and then start feeling bullish pressure on this chart. Of course, if Elon comes and starts tweeting stuff, it's such a long time he didn't do it, so he's really busy on his Starship things, and I can fully understand that this is more important than crypto. Making humankind a multi-planet species is something maybe more important than cryptos. Much probably. So guys, that's gonna be it, I think, for today. I'm very happy to see that we have a few new subscribers during the last sessions. Sorry for the sound yesterday, it was a bit crappy. You understand my point if you watch the video to the end. I thought the second part was more interesting regarding my point of view on some philosophy of life regarding wealth and things that can come with it. But most of the time it's not the magic formula to happiness, and it comes with a burden. But there is also a lot of good things you can do on the positive side when you are a little bit more wealthier than the average. So okay guys, if you want to know more and if you want to keep trading cryptos without leverage and without shorting, do that. And guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and I wish you an excellent day. Bye bye.